here I have HUAWEI Nova 11, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after device turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see Huawei logo appeared, release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the last option, safe mode, just like this. And after that, device will be restarted in a safe mode. And that's it. As you can see, now we're in a safe mode. So here in a safe mode, maybe you can notice that like most of apps are disabled, like not most but some of them, because they could be potentially unsafe or something. So when you're done using safe mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode, just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.